Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit a clickable checkbox using Nitro Pro PDF Reader. This is my Fillable PDF Form and I'll edit this clickable checkbox. Select this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find select field option. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your checkbox. Now click on this properties option. Here you will find this properties dialog box, and properties dialog box, go general option. Here you can see checkbox name. You can make it read only, required and visible from field. And this appearance option. Here you can see this checkbox font size check mark. See this, or you can make it auto. And this check mark color, this one, and this border color, this one fill color. You can change this border color as this fill color, and this line thickness, line style, and option. You can make this check style. I'll make it square and see this, and so on. Now check it and see this. Our checkbox now edited, and all of this now changes. In this way you can edit your checkbox. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.